Yeah, good afternoon, Goa. This is Michael Ferns. And today, basically, I want to talk to you about something that is very, very serious, for which we all are taking things very, very lightly and taking God for granted, okay, and taking His kindness for granted. Okay, I am here to talk about the seriousness of the COVID-19 pandemic, okay, and the situation in Goa, as we are all aware, okay, of what is happening in places like Mumbai and Gujarat and Pune and all these kind of places, surrounding places, Bangalore, okay. These places are on the alert of lockdown, okay. And over here what happens is that in Goa, for some reason, okay, our government has is playing with the with the lives, okay, and the health of innocent citizens of Goa by opening up their borders, by having opened their borders, by the way, airports being opened, okay, everything from the time, from the day they started opening up the borders for mining, okay, everything else opened up, tourism and everything else. That's fine, that is okay. The life has to go on, okay. I am not blaming the government for this. I'm absolutely not blaming the government for this, because we know that there are people who need to earn a living. We know that people, the fire's got to be burning in their homes, okay. But the factual situation now is that, whether we believe it or not, okay, Goa is heading towards the red zone, red alert, okay. And very shortly Goa is going to be forced to go on a lockdown, all right. Whatever the government may say, however calm they may keep things away from everyone and all that, okay, but let me tell you, Goa is not in any better position than any other state like Mumbai or anyone, okay. We have to, yes, we have to do our part, because if we are not getting the support, if we are not getting that kind of importance, okay, from the government, where this COVID pandemic is concerned, okay, and we are all left to do things on our own. In that case, we have to look after ourselves and our families, okay. For that, we need to take this very seriously. Avoid going to crowded places, okay. Avoid all these corner meetings, which is now happening in for the municipal elections, okay. Please stop gathering in large numbers, okay. It's not going to be benefiting y'all. It's not going to be benefiting the common man. Let me just tell you this. Let us be realistic, okay. Enough is enough of playing around with God and being so ignorant about what is happening in this world, okay. The coronavirus is hitting in a big way. The second wave is on. Please understand this. There are doctors who are crying and pleading and telling us there are no beds in hospitals. There are no vaccines available. There is shortage of vaccines. There are shortage of ventilators. Try and understand, my friend, that it is time now. Okay, it is time that you put your ignorance, okay, aside, and start thinking positive and listen to people who are on the front line. Okay, if your life and the life of your children and your family members are not important, please go somewhere else and kill yourselves, but please don't be in our neighborhood, or don't be in our areas, okay. Or at least look after yourself. What I'm trying to tell you is, make sure you'll wear a mask, make sure you'll do your steam inhaling, make sure y'all don't just go unnecessarily out, of your homes. Be safe, okay. Do not go for these meetings which is not benefiting y'all in any way. You feel that you have to vote for somebody, and if you feel that you can go and vote, please go ahead and vote, okay, for whoever you want, but you don't have to attend meetings, okay. Because what are they going to tell you? The same thing, their manifestos which they never follow. So please, let us be realistic. I am here to talk about the seriousness of the coronavirus in Goa. Very soon, Goa is going to be heading for a lockdown. We have to be prepared. We have to keep our family safe. For the government, it is income. Okay? It is income. And for us, it is the lives of our family members and ourselves. Please keep yourself safe. Please keep yourself away from all these crowded places. Okay? Please abide by what messages you all are getting from people like the frontliners who are God people. These are messages coming from God, and do not challenge God. We are not God. Politicians are not God. Okay? All that is happening. Evil things are happening. Okay? And who's going to be the sufferers? The common man. You and me, the common man. Not people who have loads of money in their homes and who have got stacks of money and stacks of groceries and everything all looked after for themselves in their homes. Okay? It is you and me who are going to be the sufferers. And believe me, my brothers and sisters, when I tell you this, I've said it in the past. And I'm telling you now, please be realistic. Stop behaving like children. Stop thinking that you all are supermen and superwomen, because we are not. Okay? God is giving you a message today. Please take this seriously. Take this COVID seriously. It is around us. It is around us. The government will start talking about initial lockdowns. Okay, this is only preparation. It's a way of them to cover their mistakes. Okay. So please, I'm begging you, do not take this lightly. Okay, and keep yourself safe and keep your family safe. That's all I'm trying to tell you all. Okay. The situation is very bad and it's getting worse. So please protect yourself and protect your family from this coronavirus. Okay? And take things seriously. Please. Thank you. And God bless.